Hi friends. So the craziest thing just happened. I was walking back from the big market in Cairo back to my hostel to get changed and then go to dinner with some people, and I looked up and I saw a Caribou Coffee, and if you're not from the United States or from Minnesota, then you might not know what that is, but Caribou Coffee is a coffee chain like Starbucks, but started in Minnesota, and they do have them some other places, but like not even everywhere in the States has them. So when I look up and see a Caribou Coffee in Cairo, Egypt, I'm like, am I imagining things? Like, today was a bit of a day. If you watched my last video, you know all the things that happened to me at the pyramids today. So I was like, oh my gosh, like a slice of home, like I have to go in and like take a picture. And then I was like, you know what, while I'm here, might as well just get myself a little coffee cooler. So I did that, and also treated myself to a brownie because I was a little hungry. Because I'm supposed to be going to dinner, and I don't think I'm going to make dinner now because it's really far away and I had this whole detour. Besides the point, then this nice gentleman named Kareem came up to me and was like, will you please accept this chocolate? And I was like, absolutely. Thank you. And he's like, I heard you were from Minnesota, because he was in line behind me. And I was like, yeah. He's like, oh, my sister lives there. Like, I've been there several times. Like, I love it. It's so beautiful. It's like the most beautiful state. And I was like, thank you. That's awesome. And then right after that, the manager came up and he was like, hey, can I take a picture with you, like Minnesota? And I was like, absolutely. Only if I can also take a picture with you. So that was my experience this evening, and just goes to show that you never know what's gonna happen, what's gonna make your day, or what's gonna totally change your perspective on things or anything. So just be open and be observant and go with the flow and let life surprise you. So for all my Minnesota peeps and people who love Caribou Coffee, this one is for you. Love you all. And everyone else, if you ever get the chance, definitely try it because it's delicious. It's really good coffee. And yeah, free plug for you guys, Caribou, so you're welcome. Bye everyone, thanks so much for watching.